In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to place a trade inside of MetaTrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up MetaTrader 5 on your PC or smartphone device. This will both work either way. Then from here, it should look something like this. From here, you'll need to, of course, log into an account. And from here, you'll need to go down to Trade down here in the left-hand menu and right-click on this gray icon and click New Order. You can also click F9 on your keyboard as a shortcut. From here, it should look something like this. And up here, you will see the symbol. And this is what you will trade with. And you can choose between all of these ones up here. So let's just choose Euro versus Dollar. And from here, you can change the type, either market execution or a pending order. From here, you'll also be able to add in a volume, how many or how much you want to trade with. You can add a stop loss and a take profit. And down here, you can also add a fill policy, and you can add a little comment if you want to do that. From here, you can buy by market, or you can also sell it by clicking here. If you click buy, you'll see that the market has bought 0.02 Euro USD at this specific price. And then you can click OK, or you can print it if you want to do that. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!